Hey there, folks. Today I'm going to lay out why you should steer clear of UnionMarkets. This is a platform that has raised more than a few eyebrows in the trading community. This offshore trading platform, operated by Dip Exilio LLC, might look legit, but it's got some serious red flags. At first glance, it might seem like a promising opportunity, but the deeper you dig, the more concerning it becomes. So, let's dig into it. We need to uncover the layers of this operation to understand why it's so problematic. First off, UnionMarkets is registered in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, but don't let that fool you. This location is often chosen by companies looking to avoid stringent regulations. The Financial Services Authority there doesn't regulate forex brokers. This means that the platform operates without the oversight that would typically protect investors. That means there's no proper regulatory oversight. Without this, there's no one to ensure that the platform is operating fairly or transparently. And to make matters worse, the lack of regulation leaves investors vulnerable to a host of potential issues. UnionMarkets isn't licensed by any recognized financial authority. When you're investing your hard-earned money, you want to be sure it's safe. Without regulation, there's no guarantee of that. This is a critical point because a license from a reputable authority is a basic assurance of legitimacy. There's no guarantee of that. Now, let's talk warnings. These warnings are not just from random individuals, but from established financial bodies. Financial regulators in Germany and Austria, two countries known for their stringent financial oversight, specifically BaFin and the FMA, have issued strong warnings about UnionMarkets. These warnings are not issued lightly and indicate serious concerns. They've made it clear that this platform isn't authorized to offer financial services in their countries. This lack of authorization is a significant red flag. That's a big red flag, folks. When multiple regulators raise alarms, it's a sign that something is seriously wrong. And it doesn't stop there. The issues with UnionMarkets are not just regulatory, but also operational. Numerous investors have reported serious issues with UnionMarkets, especially when it comes to withdrawals. This is one of the most common complaints and a major red flag, especially when it comes to withdrawals. Imagine the frustration of not being able to access your own money. There have been complaints of significant delays, unjustified fees, and even complete denial of access to funds. These are not isolated incidents, but a pattern of behavior, and even complete denial of access to funds. Imagine making a profit and then finding your account restricted or shut down. That's happened too. This kind of behavior is unacceptable and a clear sign of a problematic platform. Imagine making a profit and then finding your account restricted or shut down. That's happened too. This kind of behavior is unacceptable and a clear sign of a problematic platform. To top it all off, the issues don't end with just operational problems. UnionMarkets has connections to other shady entities like ZumaMarkets. This connection raises even more questions about their legitimacy. This further casts doubt on their operations. When a platform is linked to other dubious entities, it's a sign that you should be very cautious. When a platform has this many issues and questionable links, it's best to avoid it altogether. The risks far outweigh any potential benefits. It's best to avoid it altogether. The risks far outweigh any potential benefits. It's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your investments. So, here's the bottom line. UnionMarkets is a high-risk trading platform. The combination of regulatory issues, operational problems, and shady connections makes it a platform to avoid. UnionMarkets is a high-risk trading platform. It's unregulated, it's got negative user reports, and it's been flagged by financial authorities. These are all signs that you should stay away. It's unregulated, it's got negative user reports, and it's been flagged by financial authorities. For your own financial safety, steer clear of UnionMarkets, and it's been flagged by financial authorities. For your own financial safety, steer clear of UnionMarkets. There are plenty of other, more reputable platforms out there. For your own financial safety, steer clear of UnionMarkets. If you're already entangled with them, don't panic. There are steps you can take to protect yourself. If you're already entangled with them, check the pinned comment below to get help from an expert. There are professionals who specialize in dealing with these kinds of issues. All right, that's all for today, folks. Stay safe and invest wisely. See you next time. Remember, your financial security is paramount.